Okay, everyone, I'm excited to see my little topiaries here. So they're tucked away in this box. I'm going to show you how I fluff them out and also what my plan is. We have a senior prom this weekend, so I'm trying to spruce up the porch. So they're going to go in these urns. Now, I kind of did some research on how to fill the urns, whether it be with like the foam, the floral foam, kind of styrofoam, which was pretty pricey. And then the last thing was just fill it back up with dirt. And so that's what I'm going to try to do. So you see here's the topiary. And then it comes with a little stand that I'm going to put on, like a stake that I'm going to put in the urn. Okay, guys, I'll report back to you once I get this in. Okay, guys, so it pressed really nicely into the dirt, as you can see. 1, 2, 3. And so now what I need to do, though, is see if this will fluff out because we've got a lot of sparse areas. So let me do some fluffing and I'll report back. Okay, guys, so far so good with the first one. My instinct at first was to start pulling all of the branches down, but you see how they kind of have a droopy effect. And so then I started kind of working it like a Christmas tree and kind of like moving it, you know, back and forth, up and down, and just kind of fluffing it. And it looks surprisingly very, very good. And I can't believe how real it looks. So let me do the second one now. We've got this guy over here we need to do. So I'm just going to show you what I did. I pull to kind of just separate everything. You know, they have like the wires in it, so you can kind of arrange it however you want. And then I keep playing and filling in holes. So it's just like fanning out a Christmas tree. Let me get this one done and I'll show you how they both look. Okay, guys, second one is fluffed. Sorry, we've got the sun in the way here. But like I said, this looks as nice on camera as it does in person. It doesn't look fake in person. Now on the second one, there were quite a few of the branches that detached from the basin here. You can see that in there, but just a little hole. You just got to put it back in the hole, and I could find the hole easily, so that wasn't a problem. I think that if I could do it over, I would definitely invest in the styrofoam. It was a little pricey to get 2 big pieces, but I can tell that I'm going to have to get some gravel rock maybe to put in here, not only to make it look nice, but to keep this from shifting, you know, the plant itself. So I would recommend investing in some styrofoam if you could. Let me try to give you a side. Hope that shows up, guys, a little bit with that sun on there, but they look really pretty, guys.